Obagana ha and beyond free Obuasi heya and or mining consultant over the years will give you out ideas, suggestions, inputs. In about 2 years ago or no, and or then a question Ambushi, the senior presidential advisor, and that Menawoka say, Honorable Yao or Safmafo on Ashawan, ebeye brutal, Ghana ha. Dr. Solomon Owusu, United States of America. Senior Solo, Mamema Wachemo Akwaba, Emra Akoma FM. Bibi Abokodia.
Yeah, no. Bibia Edana kama otum for that room.
Right. It is somewhere midnight, by 12 anajo AM, and a menyana our United States of America, right?
No, me local time. 12:21. Now oko East Coast dia, New York mo 3:21. Ghana lead me 7 hours. Inti eja mwana muka ese Bible say obredwuma no ya wieda enti no wonyane me mini asem ka ma sorry yendi nkomo.
That is good. And now a mining sector ufra bruchire ba Ghana be research be investigation we uncovered serious and massive corruptions outdoor mining sector mo enra echiya the Attorney General Department I exonerated several individuals on this from Pomboating expose ahodo buy and I don't pay your work small scale miners association almost selective justice and ecoso mining operation ahodo ecoso from where you sit the fight against illegal mining Ghana we've lost it and I say yegusua yeko na impacting on the international front ekose
na Kofi Medase me hear of Facebook a year we wo video so
yeah
me laptop so
yeah
the prefer say small scale Galamsey fight small scale there will be am fight here
sure
Galamsey illegal mining fight no o mine no lose no puto ya bokagu Kofi sika wo ma say no wo Galamsey fight ni mu no I think say the free SHS anka ebetumi aboa free SHS no be 10 years. Ni nyina asiegu all because of empanyimfo a wo mo hyehyɛ ase Professor Frimpong Boateng kokan ya ɛho aba asɛm a ɛnɛ wa frami. Ni nyina no na Kofi o ma me kwan a ma memfa enioma nan bi mbie Ghana for no mefa mihu hawa mekatwi no ma mefa mbie o mani wo Galamsey no ensem bi akokoso a o ma dwene nyankro so ma mentwe o ma dwene the right word is ma mentwe o ma dwene engina ensem enan bi so no mo behu se ade na attorney general ebekan no sabio tafrache ma no da sumuna so eyensem hunu enwa keka no fa kwan mu Professor Frimpong Boateng under no circumstance who bet me catch them say only evidence was seminar or kind. Kofi Siabeya president and a Professor Frimpong Boateng as chairman of the Interministerial Committee of Illegal Mining. Beboa.
Exactly.
Papa no Jumano from April March 2017 and a president inaugurated it was July July 2017 and a president inaugurated Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining and the prof ebeye chairman president dissolve Interministerial Committee no around I think 2020 just before the election and a president a dissolve. So we say letter no so Professor Frimpong Boateng Akoma president with the document with the report now. Around March 2021. That means free abemuno ante an ordinary report adwuma a wayɛ frustrations a o go through any bibi biara or de Akoma president. Na se yabekaya between March 2017 to December 2018 Kofi muna mo te Ghana sana mo nimsa omo de ban up to all small scale mining and Galamsey so meboa.
Exactly.
There was a ban. Okay. Ban ni muno. According to Bloomberg reports, Amekuta, Ghana produce over 2 million ounces of gold, worth over $2 billion from artisanal and small scale mining operations in Ghana.
Wow.
That was 2017 report. Bloomberg. SE to be produce gold worth over $2 billion are a free small scale mining. Now the big question is, Tama na ban ni was why I say Ghana form a quadrum license so wow the license so obian tenafie no sa gold ni produce no Kofi why mo dey produce sa gold no. That time no na China for no egusu ye adwuma o.
Yeah.
Why mo na ebo China for no chidom e mo mo ye sa adwuma no.